The 10 best HDMI cables. Whether you're looking to hook up your DVD, Blu-ray player or streaming device to your shiny new TV, or an avid gamer who wants to expand your view from a monitor to the big screen, an HDMI cable will be required. We've selected an assortment of options based on length, durability, and price, all of which offer the bandwidth to deliver high-resolution video at distances up to 100 feet. The list starts from DeLong fiber optic. If you need to go farther than the normal recommended maximum distance of 50 feet, the DeLong fiber optic APPX $110 should do the trick. The longest model measures an impressive 100 feet and can carry video the entire way with little to no degradation. 5-year warranty. Slimmer than copper cables, but remarkably expensive. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Super High Definition Active. The 75 and 100 foot versions of the Super High Definition Active, about $68, have integrated boosters that draw a small amount of power to keep a signal strong well past its usual maximum transmission distance. They're both CL3 rated and thus suitable for use inside walls. Well shielded against interference. Audio return channel support, but not bidirectional. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Mono price $114,196. Due to the active booster embedded in its output connector. The 15-foot mono price $114,196. APPX $26 is noticeably slimmer and lighter than other models of similar length, while providing the same 4K resolution and 60 Hz refresh rate that the Ultra HD standard calls for. Supports unsampled RGB data. Comes in silver or black, but costs more than passive options. Well, here is the 7th one. Uni USB-C. Owners of modern laptops and tablets may appreciate the Uni USB-C. Around $18. Which converts a Type-C output to the common high-definition multimedia connector without the use of an additional adapter, as long as your device supports DisplayPort Alt mode, compliant with the HDCP protocol, available up to 10 feet long, but not for home theater use. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. MediaBridge Ultra. Every variant of the MediaBridge Ultra APPX $18 is individually hand-tested before it's packed for shipping, so you can rest assured that what you get will work right out of the box. These durable, reliable options are built to last for a long time, compatible with high refresh rates, available in 5 lengths, but safe for in-wall wiring. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Amazon Basics High Speed. Whether it needs to span 6 feet or 50, you can be sure that the Amazon Basics High Speed APPX $55 is one of the most affordable options around. The shorter models are relatively thin and light, while the longer ones are equipped with boosters to keep a signal strong. Compatible with nearly all devices. Fully CL3 rated, but backed by a lifetime warranty. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Secure OMax 8K. Those who prefer to be on technology's cutting edge should consider the Secure OMax 8K. Around $17, as it promises to comply with the version 2.1 standard. Braided nylon insulation ensures that it won't crease or break down even after years of use. 48 gigabit per second peak bandwidth. Made with oxygen-free copper, but suitable for 120 Hz displays. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Amazon Basics Premium, with options ranging from 3 to 15 feet long. The Amazon Basics Premium APPX $10 is suitable for a wide variety of setups. Its braided polyester exterior is especially durable, so it's good for peace of mind or if you frequently travel with your AV equipment. Available in 6 colors. More flexible than most, but reasonably priced. According to reviews, the second best product is Ugreen 10283. Thanks to a 90-degree connector on one end and a convenient flat design, the Ugreen 10283 APPX $12 can make for easier cable management when plugged into wall-mounted TVs. It works perfectly with Ultra HD video and comes in lengths of 6 and 10 feet. Aluminum and mylar shielding, tinned copper wires, but PVC outer insulation. Now here is our best of best the king product. Media Bridge Flex. Most consumers will be satisfied with the Media Bridge Flex, which is capable of transmitting an uncompressed 4K signal at 60 Hz. It's not terribly thick, so it's relatively pliable, and a 6-foot length costs only about $10. 34-gauge conductors, gold-plated brass connector, but also comes in 1 and 3 feet versions.